That's one of the repercussions of this trade war that's been going on, and it continues to unravel. And, expectedly, we will see data moderate, especially on the export side. And that's really having that sentiment impact when you look at equity market performance, and China has been affected the most by it.
Yes, it certainly has. I mean, we are looking even today, once again, at a pretty significant dip for the mainland stocks in China. Of course, considering what happened last week as well, we think of the Shenzhen getting particularly hard hit there. What happens from here? Are you still staying away, or when things get so rough, is it time to get in there and do a bit of bargain hunting?
So what we are the way we are looking at it is that in the short term, you expect this volatility, negative sentiment to continue, but we are really looking and investing over the mid to long term. And it's really when you look at stocks that have been indiscriminately sold down and markets which have seen relentless selling, you're seeing some value emerge across select areas. So it's really this hunt for value, we think, that's likely to dominate as we go ahead. And yes, definitely there are opportunities that are emerging right now for active investors like ourselves, because any volatility is really a silver lining when it comes to valuations of good quality names that have come off now.
Can you give us a better idea of where those opportunities are, at least from a sector standpoint?
Sure. So I guess when we look at our portfolios, we've just been doing more of the same. We are looking at each individual opportunity, and that's primarily to do with the domestic side of Asia. So our portfolios are very geared towards domestic consumption, the domestic economy, which is not likely to be impacted by exports. Now, when you take the case of China, it's really the new economy. So sectors such as, the consumer names, underpenetrated areas like financial services, some of the brokerage houses, and even when you look at some of the healthcare names. So those are some of the areas of interest for us. And when you go down into ASEAN or India, it's selectively into infrastructure or those being driven by domestic reforms.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.